I'm going to show you today how to put a solid tyre onto a scooter wheel. This happens to be a pure wheel, but the logic applies to every other brand of scooter wheel. It's exactly the same way of doing it. You need the same tools. Some are a bit harder to get on than others, but this is basically the long and short of it. 2 big tyre levers, your solid tyre, your wheel, and then some kind of lubrication to spray on the inside of the tyre just to make it slip on a bit better. Now, you can use a microwave to do it. I wouldn't advise putting it in any longer than 2 minutes. You can also use a big bucket of boiling water and the kettle if you need to, whichever's easiest. I normally use the microwave just because I don't have a big bucket. If the tyre's a lot squidgier than it was before, should give you that bit of flex you need to get it on. So then once you've got the tyre out the microwave, get some of your spray stuff and spray it onto the inside of the wheel. So something to bear in mind, make sure you get the tyre on the right way around. This wheel also doesn't have a disc brake on, but some will, so you will need to take it off before you get the tyre on, just so you don't bend it, and it just makes it a bit easier and gives you more room to wiggle around with the tyre levers. So when you do it, make sure you watch out for the motor cable, and you preferably do it top up rather than face down so it doesn't get squished. So you should be able to squidge it on with your hands and then hold it on with your knee, and then get one of your tyre levers. Just hook it over. It will be a bit of a faff and you will probably have to kneel quite hard and work your way round, but it is doable. There you go, simple as that. Under here, and just bead it on to make sure it all sits around the bead properly.